just approaching East Beach in Sydney and it's all gone. Everything's been demolished. I'm currently stood on East Beach in Sydney, which used to house Full Moon Beach, Sunset Beach, amongst other hotel beaches, and I think you may be shocked. It's now all been demolished. Everything has gone. For what reason, I have no idea. There's just nothing here. As you can see, it's just piles of wood, rubble, rubbish. Yeah, this was once Sunset Beach, and now it's just a pile of broken wood. Such a shame. Yep, it looks like a bomb site. Whether they're going to rebuild it, I have no idea. But it's just in a terrible state. What was once rows of sunbeds, the old parasols, everything is just gone. Got JCBs here, just taking all the rubbish away. Remains of fire. So there you have it. Once a place of happiness and some beds, it's now just a landfill site.